So here we have the Garmin Dezl OTR710. The box, pretty much the same exact design as the OTR700. Right away, as soon as you open it, you notice that you do have the GPS unit itself packaged right up front here. Still got the very sleek design here, very thin, as you can see. So it's in the box here. So right away, what's different on this 710 is this 12 volt. Then of course you got your suction cup mount. This goes to the back of the GPS unit. And then you got your power cord. This just snaps right into there like that. And this just goes right and just like that. You can tell this cord is different as well on here, a lot thinner, as you can see here. Collecting device data, I like to click no. I recommend plugging it in and checking for updates.